sort of day in Toyland, because Sly and Gobbo are trying to steal Noddy's car. Again.
There it is, Sly. Noddy's car.
What about it, Gobbo?
We've come to steal it, remember?
We have? Oh!
With the magic sneezing spell.
Sneezing spell, right! So, how do we do that again?
Well, when Noddy comes outside, we'll cast our spell on him. Then he'll be so busy sneezing that stealing his car will be a snap.
Yeah, a snap! Gobbo, it's not working.
Shh, quiet you. Here comes Noddy.
Good morning, car.
Burp, burp. Hippity-dippity, wheezy breezy. Let's make Noddy very sneezy.
Look, a coin!
At least we landed in our tree.
Bless you, Mr. Jumbo.
What happened?
You sneezed 5 times, and they got bigger and bigger until... Uh-oh, that's 1. 2. 3. 4. Yikes! I've already had my bath today.
Good morning, Mr. Jumbo.
Good morning. Oh dear. Stay back, Mr. Wobbly Man. These sneezes get bigger and bigger. Here comes number 3. And number 4.
What's all this racket? Oh, that's enough. I choose. It's high time you stopped this sneezing.
I wish I could, Mr. Plod. I can't. Oh, no. Here they come again. Ah!
It's all right now. Mr. Plod has once more saved the day. Huh?
Someone help Mr. Jumbo!
Oh my! I never meant for that to happen.
I'm stuck up here. My friends are all down there. Where will I sleep? And what will I eat? I'm getting hungry. All right, stay calm. Easy. Easy. Things are looking bad, but you better bet I'll be very careful not to stay upset. When I'm in a jam, cold or lost or wet, I am always careful not to stay upset. I feel much better now.
I've got to get Mr. Jumbo down. Mr. Sparks, I need you to find a big fluffy haystack and hook it to the back of your tow truck. Then watch the sky very closely.
A challenge? I like it! You can count on me, Noddy.
Mr. Sparks, I need something really, really slippery. Do you have anything like that?
Oh! How about this motor oil? It's the slipperiest stuff around.
Thanks. Gotta go. Mr. Jumbo needs our help.
What are you going to do with the oil?
You'll see. Let's go, plane.
A big bird? Huh? That's no bird. It's Noddy. It worked. Oh, thank you, Noddy.
Hold still, Mr. Jumbo!
Ooh, look, it's Noddy's car. No one's watching, so we can steal it. Looks like our sneezing spell did the trick after all.
I've got you, Mr. Jumbo! I've got you!
Don't ask.
Mr. Jumbo! Mr. Jumbo!
You saved me. Oh, thank you.
It was all Noddy's idea.
And my sneezes are gone.
That's number 3.